Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today, we will be teaching you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem. This is one of the most common problems in Windows 10. So, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Start menu or go to the Search button and type Control Panel. Then, click on Control Panel. Control Panel window will open. On the upper corner, click the View By. Then click on Large Icons or Small Icons. So I have selected Large Icons. Next, find and click on Mouse. A new window will appear. You'll notice that this window has Buttons tab, Pointers Options tab, Wheel tab, and Hardware tab. Under the Button tab, you'll see a double-click speed. If you see that the pointer is near slow, you can drag it to the right to make it faster. After that, click on the Wheel tab. In here, you can check the value of vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. So as you can see on my end, all are 3. This is basically the recommended. Check what is shown on your end. If it is already 3, you can change the value to 6 or 7. So I'll input 6 on both. Then click Apply button and then the OK button. Then close the window and restart your computer. And check if the mouse scrolling problem has been fixed or not. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.